Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing and unboxing this, which I'm super excited about. So this is the YumeTwins box, which I've seen. If you're part of the Kawaii community, you pretty much know what this is. It's basically a Kawaii subscription box and I'm really excited to open it because, like I said, I've seen it everywhere and I've seen reviews and posts and things, so I'm really excited to review one for myself. So they obviously sent me this for review, so thank you very much to YumeTwins, but obviously blah blah blah. The usual, all opinions will be my own, not getting paid to say this, blah blah blah. So yeah, before we get on to the video, I just wanted to apologise for the setting. It's a bit weird. I know this is the first time I'm properly filming it in this flat and my hair I kind of blend into the background, but this is just what my flat looks like and I couldn't really fit my big background thing. My glasses are probably distracting, but I can't see the viewfinder, so yeah. Apologies out of the way, let's get started. So I have opened this, but I haven't had a look inside. What I just want to say, as I am reviewing it, I'll do the box as well because I love design and packaging. So I really like this. This is like cute without being like overly pink, and what I kind of appreciate is all of the packaging and shipping stuff is on the back of the box. I'm not going to show you anything, but it's on the back of the box, so nothing on the front or none of the design is actually ruined. But it basically is purple on the front, says YumeTwins, and then all over the side it has this really cute like cat doodle. Is that a tree or is that candy floss? I'm not really sure. And it says Kawaii on it and some things in Japanese? Korean? I'm really not sure if I'm honest. Probably Japanese. But yeah, it's really cute and I love the colours. Lovely and colourful. So yeah, this is what it looks like. If it looks like Pusheen's moved, it's because she fell off, so let's just continue the video. I just had to point that out before. It looked like she was dancing or something. But anyway, onto the pricing of this. So for one box, it's $35. Obviously, if you choose to sign up for 6 months, 12 months, or longer than 1 month, I think it is, the price of each box does go down. I think you can get it down as far as $32, I think. So 35 is about £25, so you could probably get it down to about £20, which is, I think, a pretty good deal considering like the boxes that I've seen. So yeah, but one is about 25, but the shipping is free, so again, I feel like this is probably going to be worth the money, but I will obviously be doing an honest review of everything in here and telling you if I think this is worth the money. Obviously each month the items will change and differ, obviously, so it's not going to be the same each month. But yeah, so I do have a referral code down below. I'm part of, well, a referral link, I believe. I obviously am part of the referral program and I'm doing this review, so if you'd like to support me, you can use that if you want to order one of these. If not, then obviously just Google it and do it without my referral code. But yeah, just to let you know, all the links will be down below for that. So yeah, let's get on with it and stop rambling because I cannot wait to open this. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh, I can see a rabbit. So on the inside, I'm trying not to look. On the inside, the pattern is repeated. So you've got these little sprinkles, which I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier. You've got little sprinkles, and then you've got the little cat on the outside. This is a gorgeous box. And it says konnichiwa, which I believe is hello in Japanese. And it says spread the Kawaii love, post and tag, and then it has the hashtag YumeTwins, and then it has YumeTwins, and it has their social down below. And then let's try not to look. Let's have a look at this. So this is obviously the card. It says welcome to the YumeTwins family. So it just says konnichiwa, and it says thanks for being part of the Kawaii family. Yeah, but it's basically saying you can refer a friend, you can post online, and then I think there's a little like extra something online that you can sign into. And then it says again like post about your thing on social, and then it has their social handles. So this is really cute. I love the purple. I'm a massive fan of purple, so I appreciate that. Right, let's open this up. So I'm just gonna look at the first thing I've seen, which is this little bunny rabbit. So this is a little plush, which, oh, so it's an amused character. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure I've seen this little character. Oh god, it's so soft. Oh my goodness, that is seriously so soft. So this is an amused character because it has a little amused tag on it. It's called, do I dare say that, Pot Usal Loppy, so presumably like a loppy rabbit, which I did have a lop-eared rabbit, which is so cute. So you can get a bunch of different ones. I'm not sure if everyone got the same one. Personally, I have to admit, being honest in this review, this is not my taste. So this might go in a little giveaway box, which I like to have a giveaway box for Instagram and things like that. So that is probably going to go in here, but obviously my taste is different to everyone else's. I also do want to mention that I tend not to buy Kawaii things myself unless it's possibly stationery and definitely pins. So I probably am quite a good person to review this box solely because I'm not usually one who spends money on Kawaii. Like, I love them obviously, but but I wouldn't spend it. So obviously this might be quite a good review coming from someone who's like doesn't spend the money on it, so I can tell you if it's worth the money. That didn't really make any sense, but you know what I mean. But yeah, this thing is so soft. It's got the cutest little ears. They feel like amazing. And it's got PL on it, which presumably is like the little logo for this. What a cutie. It's literally, the ears are so soft, I can't stop playing with them. Oh, if you're ever stressed, this would be really great to like play with. But anyway, so you get a little plushie. And what else is in here? Oh my god, a squishy. Like I said, as someone who doesn't buy kawaii things a lot anymore, the fact that there's a squishy in here makes me so happy, because I did go through my phase of collecting squishies like everyone does or did back in the day, and they were just really expensive and I didn't play with them, and I realised it was kind of a money pit for me personally. But this makes me so happy. So this is, oh my god, it's a little oh, what's it called, Shiba Inu, a little sheep like toast loaf thing. Oh my god, this is so cute. And this is a Muse again. So these have both been branded items. So I'm not sure. So it's got a bunch of different characters on it, including one of these little rabbits. So I'm not sure if everyone again gets a different one, or if you all get the same one, or whatever it is. But I got the little like brown Shibu, I think. Or maybe not. There's two little doggies. I'm not sure if they're like both Shibus, so actually maybe I didn't get that one. But yeah, oh my god, this makes me so happy. I'm definitely gonna put this on like one of my kawaii bags or something, because it's got like a really cute pink little ball chain, and it's fairly slow rising, enough to be satisfying. Oh my god, I remember that smell back in the day. So yeah, there's this really, really, really adorable little dog bun squishy, which I can't stop playing with. It's literally so cute. Oh, I love it. So you get that, and next, right, what's this? Oh my god, hello, no, stop looking at it. Right, this is a little pouch. Oh, cute. So this is Pokemon. Is it a Mukura? I feel like this is called Owlet. Am I being really dumb? But this is like a cute little pouch, which is super cute. So this is Pokemon Monsters. Pokemon the movie 20 I Choose You. So this was obviously for that. I'm pretty sure it's called Owlet? Am I being really stupid? But it's just a cute little like triangular shaped pouch. And it's actually fairly good size, considering obviously because it's like triangular. I don't know what you call this kind of pouch. You could actually fit quite a decent amount in that. That's a good, like, you know when you have that little bag in your purse, or purse in your bag, that like has really useful stuff in it. This would be great for that. Oh, and it's also got a, oh, I can't get this off without scissors, but it's actually got a clip on it, so that's even better. So you could actually clip this to like the outside of your bag, maybe with things that aren't important like mints and hairbands or something. That is super cute. Again, not really my style, but obviously that is the whole point of subscription boxes, is that not everything is going to be your style. But this is so cute, and again, pretty sure this Pokemon's called Rowlet or Owlet or something, and not Mukura. But then again, obviously things are called different, Pokemon are named differently, slightly differently in Japan, so I might be wrong on that front. Someone who knows Pokemon might want to let me know. And then I just saw this and I cannot help being super, super excited about this. So they've included a Hello Kitty ruler, which is literally so cute. So this is licensed Hello Kitty, and it is the cutest, I'm not going to open it actually, this is the cutest design ever. So it's like a doodle design, but this is like a fold out ruler, so it's actually like 30 centimeters, which is amazing because it's really compact. And I always need a ruler, and I always never have one, and if I do, I have like a massive like plastic stiff one, so I can't pack it anywhere if I need it. So that is amazing. I'm so happy about that. That is so cute and pretty. Oh, so, so, so cute. And as I said, this is licensed as well. Nothing, I don't think they would do put fake items in boxes. Obviously I know some people are divided about fake items or not, but so far nothing is, and I don't think they do include that in their boxes. Right, next. Oh, right, okay. Oh my god, I'm getting too excited. Right, this is, oh my god, this is so pretty. This is literally so cute. So this is a Little Twin Stars letter set, which is just so damn magical because It has loads of little unicorns and stuff, and they're all so fluffy. Oh, and I really like little twin stars in terms of like the aesthetic and the colours and just the characters. I think they're so cute, but again, I don't tend to buy a lot of kawaii stuff. And even when I did, I just didn't buy little twin stars, but I really do love them. So you get 12 sheets, 6 envelopes and 1 sticker sheet. So there's cute little stickers at the top, and then there are a few designs, which, let me open it up and have a look. Okay, so they're all the same design. So on one side they have like a magical little scene with unicorns and stuff, and then the other side is the writing side, which has this like really cute little pink writing paper. And I love letter sets and notepads, memo pads that actually have room to write. You know when they're so cute you can't write on them because you'd be going over the design and stuff. So really love this. I need to start writing more letters and sending packages to friends and things, because again, this is why I don't tend to buy kawaii things, because I'm like, I don't want them to sit there unused. But yeah, this is literally so cute, so really love that. And then this is the thing I kind of like went a bit crazy about. Look, it's a little Korilla key cover, which is so stinking cute, and it's like blushing. So like I said, it just goes on the top of your key, which did I have one of these? I think I had a pushing one at one point, maybe not, I'm not sure. I feel like I might have done, but I always love the way these look, but I just never buy them because it's like one of those things you just don't need. But this is going to be so cute on my key. So it's just like a rubber key top. But oh, I love the colours and the fact that I forget. Rilakuma's a boy. Is Korilla a girl? I always forget. She or he is blushing, which I absolutely love. So yeah, and again, that is licensed as well. Does that say? I was going to say, I thought it said Sanrio. I was like, haven't lost my touch. I definitely know it's Sanex. Right, and then, what the hell is this? Right, in the bottom of here, we have a oh my god, is this a blanket? Oh wow, this is so cute. Oh, it's soft. Oh wow. This is literally like a little wait, no, it's definitely a blanket. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Right, let's show you actually the right side. So yeah, this is a towel. So you've got down here, you've got Pooh and Piglet and Tigger. Well, I suppose you've got all of them on there. And then it says Sim at the top here. And then you go over here and you've got like a tiny Tigger and Piglet. And then there is a massive Pooh up here. That sounded really strange. So it looks like this. This is so cute. This is like a decent like towel. This is really, really soft. That's so cool. Look at that. That is so awesome. So I think that is everything in the box, and it looks so stinking cute. Can we just look at that? That is so cute. Right, so the final review, I'm just going to overview all the products and stuff. So in terms of price, for call it 20 to 25 pounds, free shipping. I'm pretty sure I'd say it is worth the money, considering like things like a letter set is between what, £3 to £6. I mean, it's probably about £5, especially one. I'm pretty sure all their stuff would be straight from Japan. Again, you might need to check that yourself, but I'm pretty sure it would be, and that would obviously definitely increase the price. So call it like £3 to £7, including postage, maybe even more than that. Squishies obviously can get quite pricey as well, and this is licensed, so again, £5 and upwards. Again, I'm not really sure how much a plush would be. God, this is so soft. I'm not really sure how much a plush would be and stuff like this, but again, Hello Kitty, this would be about £4. So you're already up to about 15 here alone, and then obviously you did get, this again, £3-4. Again, I'm not really sure because I don't buy a lot of kawaii things, but what I remember from when I did, I definitely think this would be worth the money. Personally, I don't really use subscription boxes because I worry that I won't like everything, and like I said, like this will probably go into a giveaway as well as this towel, because I do love Sim, but I'm not a massive fan of like Pooh and Piglet and stuff, which again, not mad I have it obviously because I love to give stuff away, but like these will obviously go into giveaways. So personally for me, I would still not do a subscription box, but I know so many people who love this box. But yeah, I think this would be great for kids though. If you had a little girl or a little boy and you bought them like a subscription for their birthday or whatever it is, like I think this would be so cute, because like it's just like kawaii heaven. So I absolutely love this squishy, like I love all of this stuff. Obviously you will never have everything you love, but also if you get it for kids or if you get it for yourself and you have friends and family who also like kawaii stuff, like you could just swap or give away or whatever it is. So yeah, in my full review is that it's definitely worth the money. If you are a Kawaii fan, you will definitely love this. And the packaging and who I talked to, I'm not sure, obviously they'll be for customer service or whatever it is, but for who I've talked to about the Yumi box and the people that represent it and have represented it to me have been lovely as well, which always helps. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this review and unboxing. I can't wait to just play with my squishy, because I haven't had a squishy in so long, so I'm really excited. So yeah, this is my review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in learning more about YumeTwins or you want to get a box for yourself, then I will leave all the information and links down below, and I will also link to all of their social media as well. If you'd like to watch more from me, then you can click on the screen right now, and I have an FAQ in my description box if you have any questions, but if it's not answered down there, then please feel free to comment down below, and I also have links to all of my shops and socials and all of that good stuff. So I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye!